everybody, I'm back with another video. So in this video I'll be playing Forward Assault and telling you about the update they have. So this is recently, like, I just logged in the game today, so I saw this update, so that's what I'm telling. It might be a 1 week or 2 week, I don't know that, but this is a huge update. They've added the mobile modes in the PC, so now I'm playing on a PC, you can see. And I played on Crazy Games, so link is down below. And if you want to download it in the mobile, then you should just go to Play Store or App Store. I should get money for telling this actually, but I'm not getting money from Forward Assault. So let's see. We have practice, equipment, clans, and there's a background music as well. I've turned it off, so because it's very loud, and if I speak like that, my voice is not even audible properly. So is the background voice, and you can see that low violence. These are modes. If you turn on the slopes mode, then when the enemies die or you will die, you will turn into building blocks which you used to play. So that I'm turning it off. And they've buffed the grenade so much now, it's killing very good. So let's go to arrayed, and yeah, so you can customize your horde as well. So I'll show you that in a minute. And now they've changed the default weapon. Now by default in practice you get the AK-47 instead of AN-91. So that's a change. Like in mobile also you used to get these things. And you can see the sound has changed. And there's a guy coming over here, and I killed him. And you can hear them shouting like a little. And I'll just throw the grenade and show. And you can see now the grenade just blows up people. It's got buffed and it's very good. And here's a guy. And now I got killed. And you can snipe also as well over here. And I killed him as well. You can see that the grenade is pretty good now compared to before. It has become very good. And here's the Fagel. Reload it. And now they shout, you can see that. And the smoke is not many changes come in the smoke. I don't think so. Not many changes have come in the smoke. So let's now show you the settings they have added. Yeah. So you can see a customized horde, change crosshair toggles in spectating. So customize horde. You can see that you can just customize your horde if you want, like this. And here's the setting. And strike factor, if you just make it 30%, you'll just get the view of an iPad. Like if you play in an iPad, you can get this view. So if you want to get your iPad view in the PC, you can do this. But it's good for iPad players only because it's feeling a lot bigger. Like this thing is looking damn big, so I'll just change the resolution again to 0%. Yeah, that's good. And now you can see when it comes to picking up a gun, it comes on the up. So that has been added in the game. And I knifed him. Here's the gun. And so it's pretty much good. Customize horde, switch teams if you want, and toggle horde invisibility. If you do this, you can't just see a horde. So you can just do a no horde challenge with this also. So it's very hard to play like this. So just horde visibility. Yeah, perfect. And yeah, as I told you, you can just do this. And static crosshair, if you want that, you can do this. So now you get your crosshair. If you remove this option, you don't get a crosshair. I think you'd get a crosshair, but that's a static one, so I'll just keep that. Yeah. just knifed him over here. And inspection is also there from previous only. Not much change. So I'll just try to play in the iPad FOV for sometimes. So this is the max resolution and now it's looking kind of weird. So if you're an iPad player, as I told you before, you can use this. But it looks like, to me, it's very weird because it's just extended so much. The stairs are looking big and everything is looking so big. It's like they've got so much space. So I'll just put it back. Resume it. And this guy shouted over here. So now let's just go die and we'll check the grenade again. And now he shouted. You can see. Get the grenade. And for the SMGs, let us try the P90. And there's also some new maps like mods and you can see forward assault over here is written. Forward assault is written on places like this, so you can follow them. Now I just threw the grenade on him. And now I got a double kill with the grenade. And now you can see blood is coming when you shoot people. So this is a very good update. You can just pick up the gun and you die. You get fall damage as well. So now if you want to chat, you get this. This is the chat. So this is chat. If you want to chat, you can just chat. And let's go find some people. So it's very fun now. The grenade is been buffed. Suppose somebody is just camping, you just go throw a grenade on them and you get an easy kill. And I throw a grenade on him. So you also die if you go near the grenade. Means now the grenade can kill you as well. Easy. And now you can see that. And now I got killed again. So the P90 just came in COD Mobile as well. So don't forget to check the season 8 as well. Season 10, sorry. And after this video, I'll be just upload a coding video. And please guys help me reach 40 subscribers. So that then you can expect from my side to get a special video of 40 subs. Then it will be a 40 subs special video from my side. If I am not able to reach 40 subscribers, then you can't expect a 40 subs video from my side. Because as I told, and the P90's recoil is horrible over here. And just got shot from somewhere. And here's a grenade. And I think the bots have got buffed a little bit. Let's throw a grenade on him. And I got a kill with the grenade as well. And I got 2 kills with the grenade. With the frag grenade. So there's not new weapons in the game, I think so, but they might get added. And then as I told you, you can add the looks mode if you want also. And I'm gonna get a kill with the grenade. Got it. So let's see the setting. Horde opacity. So if I do it 0, let's see what happens. Okay, so you can't see your horde. If you do this, well, you can see your horde. And you can see some of my blood also came over here. Now the previous one used to be like previous you could see 3 sectors, for one for knife, one for the pistol and one for the primal gun. But now they changed it a lot. So now when but you just switch to a weapon, that becomes your main weapon, main section over there. So now you no need to just get that 3 slots, and you can customize your HUD. This feature has been added from Bullet Force. So let us just and the grenade did burst, you can see over here. So you can suicide also with the grenade, as I told you. You see that I just died. So this is very good update, and I'm having fun with the grenade. The grenade is the best, I think, because it got buffed. Before buff it did not deal that much damage, but after buff it's dealing a lot of damage. You can see the range of the grenade. Let me try to again. And I'm getting killed from that long also. So the grenade needs a nerf, a little bit nerf, because it got too much buffed, so it needs a little bit nerf. And overall the game is good now since the update. Here's the grenade. So they've already added all the mobile features, and guys, please help me reach 40 subs, so you can expect a 40 subscriber special video from my side. And if 40 subscribers are not possible, then I cannot do anything. So guys, please subscribe. That's it for today. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe. But last but not the least, this chat has got changed. So that's it for today. Bye.